Alright everybody, this is the Traxxas vehicle everybody's been talking about, the Traxxas Slash Mudboss. In this video we're going to unbox it, take a look at it, see what you get, give it a little speed test, have some fun with it. Alright, let's open this up here. Alright. Well, that's a good looking car. This is actually not the colorway I ordered. That one's still on the way. These are apparently sold out everywhere, back ordered, so I still gotta wait for mine, but I was fortunate enough to get my hands on this one, and let's take a closer look. Alright, so there it is out of the box. You get all your stickers or your numbers you want here. Tools, TQ radio. It does advertise 35 miles an hour plus out of the box, but that's with a optional gear that it does not include, so you'll have to get your own. So taking a closer look here, what else do you get with the Mudboss? Well, for starters, GTR shocks, low center of gravity chassis, Magnum 272R transmission, BL2S brushless motor, this guy, and just a very cool, ready to run out of the box race car. So let's get some batteries charged up, get the GPS charged up, take this thing out for a speed run and see what you get speed wise right out of the box. Alright guys, got the battery charged up. Go out here to do a couple of speed runs. Kind of losing daylight, so I'm not going to be able to get out to a dirt spot or a track or anything today, but we'll get that video out pretty soon. But for now, we're going to do some speed runs, see what kind of speed to expect out of the box. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so that's 30 miles per hour right out of the box. I said it advertises 35, but that's with the optional gear that's not included. So yeah, with a stock Traxxas 2S battery, that's what you're going to expect right out of the box, 30 miles per hour. Alright, before I wrap up this video, I want to do one more speed run with this SMC battery. See if we can get any improvement on that 30 miles per hour with the Traxxas 2S. Alright, out here with the new battery. Let's give it a quick run. Sounds like it might be a little quicker. Uh-oh, didn't record. Let's try that again. Oh, interesting. Only 29 miles per hour with that battery. I was actually expecting better, to be honest with you. Alright. Anyway, let's gonna wrap it up for this one. Kind of running out of daylight here. I want to have a more comprehensive video coming in the next couple of days. I'm going to get out and actually try to do some track testing with it. Get numbers I'll put on, all that good stuff. But catch you guys in the next one.